Assalamu alaikum class 2. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. I am your teacher Miss Maheen Rashid and I am welcoming you in your language class. Today in your language class what we are going to do? We are going to solve a worksheet. So I need you to open your worksheet pad on page number 232. So in this worksheet what we have to do? We are going to solve this worksheet by putting present simple tenses and present continuous tenses in it, right? So we have done present simple tenses and present continuous tenses as well, right? So you all know what kind of present simple tenses. Present simple are the tenses which are having some kind of information or routine work in them, right? Which sentences are called present simple? The sentences which are having some kind of information or routine work is called present simple tenses. But what are present continuous tenses? The tenses which are having some work which is going on, which is continuing at this moment, at this time. Those types of sentences are called present continuous, right? So let's start our worksheet. I am reading it and I need you to listen very carefully and just think what will come in the blank, okay? This is Mrs. White. She dash a primary school teacher. So, in this blank we have hint B, right? So, whenever you see a B as a hint, it means that here we have to put a helping verb. B means helping verb, and we all know that what are the helping verbs or present continuous tense. What are the helping verb? Is, am and are. And we all know how we use is, am and are. We use is with the singular subject, we use am with myself, and we use are for plural subject. So she is a singular subject. So we use here is. She is a primary school teacher. Okay. So next line, she dash English, math and geography. What is the hint for this blank? Teach. And what type of tense is this? Is this an informational tense or it is a continuous tense? This is an informational tense because in this sentence we are having the information about her subjects, right? So this is a present simple sentence. So we put teach here like that. She teaches English, maths and geography. Why we put an S with teach? Because we know that in present simple tenses we put S with the verb if the subject is singular, right? We have done this. So, she is a singular subject. So, we put an S with the verb and the verb is teach. So, the sentence will be she teaches English, maths and geography, right? At the moment, she dash maths. Now, which type of sentence is this? At the moment. Meaning at this time. This is a continuous sentence. At this time what is she doing? She teach maths. So we know that how present continuous tenses work. We put a helping verb with the ing form of the verb, right? So the tense will be at the moment. What helping verb we use with she? She is a singular subject. So we use is. She is and teach is the verb, so we use ing form. She is teaching maths, right? The sentence will be at the moment she is teaching maths, right? Okay. Now the next sentence is she dash in London. The hint for this blank is live. So, is this an informational sentence or a continuous work going on? This is an informational sentence because this sentence is giving us the information of her town or country. So this is the information. So we use live here and we add s with it because she is the singular subject and we are using present simple tense here. She lives in London. Okay, the sentence will be she lives in London. Okay, and dash B married to George. The hint here for this blank is B, and B means, I have told you here, B means helping verb. So what helping verb we use here? Because George is a singular noun. So we use here is. She lives in London and is married to George, who is French. Okay. They dash 3 children. What is the hint for this blank? Have. This is an informational sentence or this is a verb continuing? This is an informational sentence because we are having the information about her children. So, they have 3 children. Why we don't use s with this verb? Because we have plural subject. In present simple tenses, we don't put s with the verb if the subject is plural, right? Okay, next. They all dash animals. What is the hint for this blank? Love. Acha, is this an informational sentence or any word continuing? This is an informational sentence, right? Because we are having the information about how do they love animals, if they love animal or not. They are giving us the information about her, about them. So we use the present simple tense here, like they all love animal. Why don't we use s with this verb? Because they is a plural subject, so we don't put s with the verb if the subject is plural. Okay, but they dash not have any pet. Okay, so which type of sentence is this? Is this an informational sentence or any work is going on? This is an informational sentence. Okay, so they, which how do we use not here in the present simple sentences? How do we make negative sentences? We put do not, right? But they do not have any pets, right? Because they dash live in an apartment. So is this an informational sentence or any work is going on? It is an informational sentence. So because they live in an apartment. Mrs. White dash speak French as well as English. So is this an informational sentence or the work is going on? It is an informational sentence. So and the subject is singular, Mrs. White. So we put an s with the verb. So the sentence will be Mrs. White speaks French as well as English, but she dash not teach it. So how it is an informational, na? It is an informational sentence. So we use the negative tense of present simple, and when we use negative tense of present simple, we use do not. But here it is the singular noun, singular subject. So we use does here. But she does not teach it, right? So in this way you solve this. Now I need you to solve this by your own. Okay, you know how present simple tense work and you know how present continuous tense work. So I need you to do the rest of the worksheet by yourself and take the guideline from your parents. Okay? I hope you can do it very easily. You can take help from the copy also, because you have all the formulas in the copy, right? I hope you understand it. I will meet you next time with another video. Allah Hafiz.